I've been attached with the feeling of them waking up with you by my side.
Jess, ayun, supportan natin ang bagong season ng PGT.
Salamat, Sir Jeff.
Yes, ang ating first question ay para kay Donnie Pangilinan. Ikaw na naman. So, ang tanong ko sa'yo, yun, bilang isa sa mga first-timers for PGT, magamat nasubukan mo na before sa magpasikat, right? Ano yung taste mo or gaano ka ba kumilatis ng talents ng PGT?
Musta, Jeff? Nice to see you again. Paborito ko talaga yung boses mo, bro. Para sa akin, paano ba? Hindi ko alam eh. Paano ba ako, Miss Oge? Paano ba ako kumilatis? Kasi ako, I just do whatever feels right. It's hard to have a very technical approach. I think a lot of what we do as judges is just our gut feeling. And everything we mentioned kanina, diba? Yung presence, yung wow factor, ganun. So, sa totoo lang, hindi namin masyado iniisip, uy, nakita ko ba to? Ito ba yung kailangan nating mahatak sa viewers or ganun. I think ang iniisip lang namin is this worthy of going to the next round? So, whatever that may be, however that makes us feel, you know, wherever that comes out from, I think that's just where I get it from. I don't really think about it so much, if that makes sense. Yeah.
Thank you, Donnie, and para sa mga host. My second question is for Quanti Melay. Hello.
So, okay na ba yung sagot namin? Kung hindi pa, press no.
Pwede ba ako mag-add, Jeff? Mag-add ako. Ito,
Yes.
sa totoo lang, I will speak on behalf of all the judges here. Kasi yung hosts natin yung nagsa-start ng show. So, I would just like to give them all the props needed. Kasi kung wala sila dito, wala talaga yung PGT Season 7. At sobrang laki ng respeto kay Kuya Robs at kay Ate Melay. Actually, yung pinakaunang nagsabi sa akin na I think inquiry pa lang to na may PGT. Nung nalaman ko si Kuya Robs yung magiging host, it made the decision so much easier. Kasi actually one of our dreams before, nung nagsisimula pa lang tayo sa mix, is to do PGT together. And I'm just so grateful na we were given this opportunity, obviously alongside such an amazing cast here. So, I would have no other host than these two. Maraming salamat, guys.
Tony, we love you.
Love you both.
Group hug.
Okay, thank you po.
Thank you so much,
Salamat, Sir Jeff.
Maraming salamat po. And our next question naman ay magagaling po kay Alan Sancon of Stars O2.
Hello po, congratulations. Yan, isa ako sa mga excited na panoorin yung PGT Season 7. Pero yan, yung question ko doon naman sa mga online host natin, kay Lorraine sa kay Wise. Siyempre,
Congratulations sa grand comeback nitong Pilipinas Got Talent. Yung first question ko kay Donnie. Hello. Donnie kasi mula sa pagiging magaling na actor, host, ngayon nakikilala ka na rin, tinatawag ka na rin na matalino at magaling na kurado. Siyempre, coming from diba, dun sa magpasikat ng Showtime. Ano yung reaction mo dito sa papuri na natatanggap mo?
Reaction ko?
Reaction niya.
Reaction ni Eugene daw.
Hindi, ako po, to be honest, well, nasa-shock pa rin ako kasi hindi, yung magpasikat first of all, hindi naman yun talaga plano. I mean, hindi yun planado. Parang it just so happened na kailangan nila ng extra judge or they asked me if, you know, I had a spare week to be able to attend yung showtime. And sa una, sa totoo lang, nag-no ako. Kasi iniisip ko, ano namang sasabihin ko dyan? Tsaka, anong ambag ko dyan? Hindi ko naman deserve na kasama ko yung, at that time, hindi ko alam kung yun yung lineup, but still, you know, the lineup that we ended up with, diba? Grabe yung bigatin yung mga kasama ko. Si Sir FMG pa lang, diba? So, yun, to be honest, nag-no ako. Sabi ko, I'm not sure if I'm ready yet. Kasi hindi ko alam kung yung sasabihin ko at yung ikikritik ko, tama. Kasi syempre dun sa magpasikat, puro artista. You know, may mga people who've gone before me. I'm not critiquing just anyone. So, this is something that, you know, medyo siguro nahiya ako. But when they said, yes po. But when they said, it's something new, just give it a try. And magpasikat is, you know, something they do once a year lang. And it's a fun opportunity. Sabi, after a bit of convincing, sige, sabi ko, itatry ko talaga. So, hindi ko naman po in-expect na ganito po yung magiging kalabasan nun. Ako, I'm just very grateful na siguro yun po ang nakita nila. But to be honest, I'm just speaking from what I feel. And I'm just speaking from my heart, what really genuinely feels right. So, again, when they offered even PGT, just the thought of it, sa totoo lang po, sobra akong nag-isip nun kung i-consider ko po siya kasi same reasons. I didn't know if, you know, it might be too early, you know, if I even deserve to sit alongside such amazing judges. And of course, syempre, yung talent na lahat ng contestants natin. So ako, I just promised na I'm just gonna give it my all and I'm gonna keep learning kasi I'm entering here learning so much already from everyone here, from Sir FMG, Kath, Miss Uge, even our hosts. Every day, bago yung knowledge na nakikita ko and nararamdaman ko. And yung chemistry ng lahat, feel ko talaga na everyone's here for the same purpose. So, to answer your question, my pressure for sure. So I'm just here as someone who is very new with an open mind, just to see where this will go. But I promise to give it my all, and I promise na maghahanap talaga tayo ng talent na worthy of being called the next champion of PGT.
Pero congratulations, she rose to the occasion. At saka ang ganda ng chemistry niyo dito sa PGT. Yun. For my last question sa ating mga host, kay Melay at saka kay Ro,